Asian. Asian. அமைதியாரு வணக்கம்
But my father supported me and encouraged me to learn. With his guidance, I became the first woman in India to join a medical college. Education gave me and the courage
அந்த மகாலட்சுமி
strength to fight for the rights of women. Education is not just about gaining knowledge. It is about opening doors, deep opportunities, building confidence,
மகாலட்சுமி உட்காரு
and breaking barriers. When we educated, empower not just
சுர்ஜித்
one person,
என்ன பேச்சு உனக்கு
but an entire
பின்னாடி தான் நிக்கிறேன்
and society. Let us work together